If you want to edit slow motion videos on iPhone 17, then first of all we need to go to the Photos app, and in the library you want to open the slow motion video. In order to customize the slow motion effect, for example, we can tap on these three sliders at the bottom of the screen. First we have the main timeline and some smaller timeline below, and these vertical lines are indicating the slow motion effect when it is applied. We can of course drag it around. We can also apply it to the whole video if we want to, or just to the specific moment of the video. And bigger space between these lines indicates that this is where the slow motion effect is applied. At the top over here on the right side we have this clock-like thing. This icon, we can tap on it in order to adjust the playback speed. So for example, we can make the slow motion effect even slower by setting it to, for example, 10%. So then it looks more or less like this. Of course, it applies only to the slow motion area over here. And there we go, that's pretty much it. We can also tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find some saving options. At the bottom, of course, we have the audio mix, we have some adjustments, filters, and cropping. And once you are done, press done in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.